I look like garbage right now. It's like 4 in the afternoon. But I've been cleaning my house today, even though if you like looked around my house right now, you'd be like, girl, what the hell are you talking about? But yeah, and then Jude laid down for a nap and I laid next to him and played Animal Crossing for like 2 hours. So my hair's a hot mess. And I'm not leaving my house today, so I didn't do makeup. I did put on eyebrows though, because I do that almost every day, even if I don't leave my house, because I'm super insecure about the lack of eyebrows that I have. Anyways, that's enough rambling of why I look like a disgusting person today. I'm gonna clean and organize my pantry. It's part of my like spring cleaning that I'm doing. And this is kind of like the first thing I want to tackle, just because it's a hot mess and it's stressing me out like really bad. And I love watching these kind of videos, like where people are like cleaning and organizing things. And so I was like, I should film one because I'm always cleaning and organizing something. So let me show you the disgusting mess that is my pantry right now. Also, don't judge me for the amount of junk food in my pantry. All the healthy stuff is in the fridge, okay? So this is like the bottom of my pantry. Dog food, paper towels, cereal. This is like where we keep all of like our real food. I guess like real food. There's like a ton of Pop-Tarts right there. Yeah, this is also like a hot mess. This is always usually organized, but then Eric messes it up. All my baking stuff, more like baking stuff. This is usually where I keep water bottles. And I got all of that down there. So like it's a hot freaking mess. So we're gonna organize all of this nonsense. So I have all of these containers in like different sizes to put some stuff in. They were advertised on Amazon to have like the really big ones that you can put cereal in. This is like the biggest one they sent me, and it doesn't even have like the little like spout lids. So I am going to end up buying more for cereal because my kids open the cereal and they never close it, so it goes stale and I throw it away, and then I have to buy more cereal. So we go through cereal like crazy, and I feel like if I had these but with the lids and like the right size, then it wouldn't go to waste. So yeah, I guess let's tackle this hot mess. We'll start on this side first because it's not quite as much of a hot mess. So we'll tackle this first. I feel like I might need a chair. I definitely need to move like all of these boxes of cereal. Also, I don't even know if you can see my face, but need to go grocery shopping, so now that I'm like cleaning everything out, I realize how bad I need to do more like grocery shopping. So now my pantry looks a little naked, but that's alright. So I have this side done for the most part. Well, yeah, down here is just like my crock pot and our Instant Pot. We got this giant bag of rice that has to stay there, and then some more of my like water things, which this is like one of my favorite like fizzy water things. I don't know what you call them, but I like the Target ones, the Good and Gather, and this one is coconut and pineapple, and the I think it's like wild cherry or something is also really good. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to this side, which is like the more chaotic side. So I'm going to start with like this very bottom shelf first. So just more of my baking stuff, my cake. I don't even know what this is called, but you put your cake on it when you frost it. It's like a little turntable. I do a lot of baking. This is my little cupcake holder cake. These things, and I don't remember what they're called. So you put the cake on after it's all made. This is just a bag of junk where I keep all of the kind of like random stuff that I have too. Now I have to like put all of these away, and I don't know if anybody else is weird like me and like just hoards these. Like I just always reuse them. So I guess maybe that just makes me cheap or thrifty. You decide. You decide if that makes me cheap or thrifty. I just think it's stupid to throw them away when you know you're gonna need them for, you know, next Christmas or next birthday or whatever. It's a hot mess because I was digging around here trying to find some bags to put my dad's stuff in. Chicken. A rolling pin. That already looks better. Put all of my baking stuff back. I honestly cannot wait until I buy a house so I have more space for like all of my baking stuff, because I do have a lot of it and I have like nowhere to put any of it. Like I have cookie cutters here, I have like seasonal like cookie things, what are they called? Containers where you put cookies after you bake them, you know? Yeah, so now the next hot mess is like all of these water bottles right here. We have so many and it stresses me out because we really don't need this many, but we have a lot. So most of them are Ellie's and like June's. So gotta clean that now. I bought these little cups for Jude's like smoothies because he loves smoothies, but if you drop these, this lid pops off. And so he's done that a couple of times and like got smoothies all over in my carpet. So but he still quite hasn't figured it out, so he kind of just dumps it all down somewhere. Made a lot of progress, got all of the medicine and stuff organized. This is empty because I took all of my baking stuff out because we're gonna put it in the containers. So I suppose that's what we'll do now. So I'm finally done. This took like an hour. It took longer than I thought it was going to, but I am finally done. So I'll show you guys the finished product. So nice and organized. So clearly I need more baking stuff. This will have chocolate chips in it. I just don't have any regular chocolate chips right now. Pretty low on baking supplies, but I think it looks a million times better than it did. So sorry if this video was kind of boring to you. I like these videos and I think they're entertaining. So if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and tell me if you enjoy like cleaning, organizing, declutter videos, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.